Welcome, students. Welcome to the video of Civics Standard 8th. Topic: the Indian Parliament. As we have seen in the previous video, what is the parliamentary system of government? We have seen that the people is the king. The people decides which candidate has to win, which government has to come into power. It is the people who decides it. Then we also saw the members can stay in power as long as they enjoy confidence of the legislature. Now, my dear students, in this lesson, now we are going to see the Indian Parliament. Now, in Indian Parliament is been created by the Constitution of India. The legislature at the national level, that is the level of the central government, is called Parliament. It consists of President and two houses of the Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Though President is an inseparable part of the Parliament, he or she cannot take part directly in either of the houses of the Parliament, that is Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Now, my dear students, there are two houses of the Parliament. The first house is Lok Sabha and other one is Rajya Sabha. We will now see in detail about Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is lower and the first house of the Parliament of India. Lok Sabha is the House of Representatives where we, the people, directly elect the members to the Lok Sabha. Hence, Lok Sabha is called the first house. The members of the Lok Sabha are elected directly by the people from the territorial constituencies. Now, the tenure of the Lok Sabha is of 5 years. The election takes place after every 5 years. These elections are known as general election, and the body which conducts the general election, they are called as Election Commission. However, there are examples when the Lok Sabha was dissolved before the completion of 5 years. Elections are held in such cases. They are called as mid-term elections. Lok Sabha is a representative body of the citizens of the country. As per the Constitution, there are maximum of 552 members in the Lok Sabha. To ensure equal representation to all sections of the community, some seats are reserved the members belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. In case there are no representation from the Anglo-Indian community, the president can appoint 2 members from this community to the Lok Sabha. This is all about Lok Sabha. Now we will see Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is also called as an upper house or a second house of the Parliament. It is upper and the second house of the Parliament. The members of the Rajya Sabha are indirectly elected. As the name suggests, Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha gives representation to 29 states and 7 union territories in India. Thus, Rajya Sabha works as a representative of the constituent state. Now we will see the composition of Rajya Sabha. The total membership of Rajya Sabha is 250 members. Amongst them, 230 members are elected from the constituent states and union territories. All the constituent states do not have equal representation in the Rajya Sabha. It is proportionate to the total population of each of the state. Now what about the 12 members? I said 250 members, the composition is 250, out of which 238 members are elected from the constituent state and union territories. The 12 members are appointed by the president. Now the president appoints whom? Though the members usually they are experienced and distinguished personalities from the field of literature, art, science, sports, social work. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected through the system of proportional representation. Now I would like to give examples of Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, who was appointed to Rajya Sabha. Shabana Azmi, actress, she was appointed because she was in the field of acting. Sachin Tendulkar was elected by the president or selected by the president because he was good in sports. So such are the people who are eminent, who are distinguished personalities in the field, in the various fields. They are expert. Such people are elected or selected by the president to those 12 seats which are reserved for the eminent personalities. Now my dear students, we will see now how the Rajya Sabha works. Now Rajya Sabha is never dissolved completely. Hence, it is called a permanent house. 1/3 of the total membership of the Rajya Sabha who have completed their tenure of 6 years retire after every 2 years. An equal number of new members get elected. Because the limited members of the Rajya Sabha retire step by step, Rajya Sabha can function continuously. That is why Rajya Sabha is called a permanent house, because it doesn't dissolve at all. After every 2 years, the members can retire. An equal number of members are elected to that place. Now, we will see what are the qualifications if you want to be the member of Rajya Sabha. What are the qualifications? The qualification, the first and the common qualification is he or she who wants to be the member of Rajya Sabha should be an Indian citizen. Second qualification is he or she should complete 30 years of age. There are few other qualifications which is not mentioned in your textbook. It says that the person should not be insane, or in short we say mad. The person should have qualification which is prescribed by the parliament from time to time. and the person should not be a bankrupt. So these are few of the qualifications. Now, the members of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, they are known as the members of the parliament or MPs. And what is the work of the MPs? The work of the MP is very simple. The MPs try to resolve the complaints of their constituencies by raising questions in the parliament. Government allocates them funds to carry out development activities in their representative constituencies. So, it's very simple. The person whom we are selecting to Lok Sabha, they are here to voice our opinion. They are there to resolve our complaints, and the government allocates funds for the development purpose of our area. So, my dear students, this is all about Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Later on, I'll come out with the next video which speaks about the functions of the parliament and how does the parliament make law. Thank you.